Vikalp EduTech is happy to introduce yet another series exclusively for the education sector. Project Smart School is designed for the teachers as well as the non-teaching staff in the school to ease the process of teaching with the help of AI tools and other helpful software, thereby reducing the time, efforts and resources and enhancing productivity. This will certainly benefit the teachers by helping them create lesson plans and other teaching aids like digital flashcards, presentations, worksheets, assignments, etc. For the non-teaching staff like school administrators, coordinators, human resources, the AI tools to integrate with Office 365 apps like Word, Excel and PowerPoint will be covered to automate daily tasks like maintaining student records, analyzing results, staff attendance, bulk circulars, and many more. Let us learn about it in more detail. You may be wondering about the term Smart School. The next question that might pop up in your mind is, why would you consider upgrading your school? During the global outbreak of COVID-19, all the industries faced the problem because none of us were prepared for such kind of situation. However, the pandemic taught us to use the technology, ensuring that the show must go on. However, once the situation was under control and when the schools reopened, most of the schools again switched back to their regular teaching methodologies and only few schools chose to continue using technology. These include simulations for explaining difficult concepts like buoyancy, Archimedes' principle, isotopes, atomic mass and many more. Enabling schools with latest technology make the school future ready and help the students to gather 21st century skills such as problem solving, critical thinking and digital literacy. Alongside, also aligning with the SDGs defined by UNESCO. It also helps overcome the challenges in the existing education system, especially to demonstrate concepts that require expensive equipment apparatus. Some of the important highlights of this project are: the entire project has been curated by Google and Microsoft certified trainers implementing all the tried and tested tools that have been experimented in the last decade. Virtual field trips to take the students on an expedition without any geographical boundaries across most of the heritage sites without having any constraint of budget. AI tools for education to help the teachers for creating resources for the lessons, including but not limited to the worksheets, digital flashcards, lesson plans and presentations. More than 60 applications across different subjects to provide the enriched learning experience to the students, simultaneously reducing the efforts for the teachers.
The most important stakeholders are the teachers, and thus it is important to provide them with the necessary support. For this, subject and grade-specific workshops are conducted to provide hands-on training of the applications that are relevant to their subjects. The workshops are conducted in such a manner that each teacher uses a computer and practices the application during this workshop. Step-by-step guidance is provided to ensure that the teachers understand the use of each application and make the best use of it while delivering the lesson. It is a proven fact that a single training never helps. Thus, regular follow-up sessions are conducted for the teachers to conduct reflection activities and also to address the challenges that the teachers might have faced while using these applications. Vikalp EduTech is committed towards this goal and will continue to provide ongoing support to the teachers as and when required. The applications are free to use. However, the access to these resources are limited. Thus, the schools opting to get smart with Vikalp EduTech will get an exclusive access to the resources.
The software and websites that are covered during the teacher training are recommended by United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization and endorsed by tech giants like Microsoft and Google. This equips the teachers to become a facilitator and ensure that the learning becomes student-centric. After the teachers put them into practice, the students will not only become independent, but also they will adapt the 21st century skills, thereby achieving enriched learning outcomes. This helps the CBSE schools to complete the mandatory teacher training hours during the academic year to learn something productive rather than taking up some random trainings. Eventually, The students benefit with the enhanced learning experience once the teachers are equipped with these tools. We hope to conduct these training programs for your school and be a part of the smart school community in the age of artificial intelligence. If you want to conduct this training for your teachers, please contact us on the number and email address mentioned. We will be happy to help. Do spread the word with your colleagues who might be interested in such trainings. Thank you for watching.